Alright guys, we're hitting, no, I'm just kidding.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Shots to you back in it. Breakfast Club CTG, we in this B. Today we're starting off with a back workout. Like I said in the prior video, the leg day workout video, 2 more videos after this. All are gonna be in collaboration with, the free little 3-day workout program that I'm giving you guys. First, we're starting with the bent over barbell row. Hands supinated, so underhand, bent over. Your boy's back's feeling a lot better, but I still don't want to push it, so we're still doing that bodybuilding style workouts. Next video after this is going to be a more functional workout, maybe just body weight, Metcon style workout, get you guys sweating and breathing. But today's going to be more bodybuilding and just a back workout, so let's go ahead and get it. Normally that would have just tore my back up. Like there's no way I'm bending over, especially with a barbell in my hand like that. That's feeling good. So that means my back is getting healthy, and we're gonna enjoy this back workout today, man. I'm super pumped. Let's get it.
At least for now, I think that everything might be alright. Okay, yeah, I can't get no sleep. Living in the weeks, life is bittersweet. I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now, I think that everything might be alright. Okay.
You look good. It looks like you're not doing the grandpa back anymore.
Huh?
I said you look good. It looks like you're not doing the grandpa back anymore.
Help, I've fallen, I can't get up.
You're good.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for the bent over barbell row. I'm going to go ahead and move into our next exercise, which is going to be a lat pull down. So this is just straight pulling. This is more for like that girthiness, I guess you could say. Next we're going to focus on that width and just go high volume on this. This was like our little heavier, more compound movement to start off with. Now we're going to move on to more of like a, just kind of push yourself, high volume, tons of reps. Alright guys, so the second exercise is going to be wide grip lat pull down. Quick little tip on this, if you can't really feel it or you don't really find much benefit from this, is literally just driving through with the elbows. Think of nothing else besides to drive through and pinch. That's going to help you engage the lat more. It's going to help you contract everything and get a whole lot more out of this exercise rather than just swinging the crap out of a bunch of weight and not really getting any benefit. So squeeze, drive through the elbows, and you're good to go. Warm up set. Alright, so for the warm-up set, I always like to go 10 behind the neck, 10 in front of the neck. Just gets me warmed up and kind of like my shoulders and everything a little bit loose and open. And also just kind of gets that blood flowing and gets you ready for the next sets. So now we're going to go into 4 sets of 10 to 15. Just straight in front of the chest, driving through the elbows, bringing it about to the top of my chest. Touching, maybe not. As long as you're like right to here, you should be good to go. Again, 5 sets total, including the warm-up set, 4 working sets. Let's get it. Alright guys, so on the last set, we've worked our way all the way down to 10. So we started off with a 20, then we went 15, 15, 15, 12, and then 12 again. And so on this one, we're gonna go 8 to 10 because it's a little bit heavier. So we'll see how this goes. But last set, 5th set. My feet. I'm like hanging.
Just in the corner for now.
Those felt pretty good up until like the last like 2-3 reps. They might have been a little bit sloppy, but still try to just focus on driving through the elbows, pinching and squeezing. So I'll count that as a good set. Pretty happy with that. Considering that's the heaviest I've gone on this in this like week and a half that I've been doing more bodybuilding workouts. So pumped on that. As you can tell, we lifted off on that one, literally. But we're gonna move on to the next exercise, guys. And that's gonna be a close grip pull down. We're just gonna stay right here, grab the close grip pulley, and just do, on this one, it's gonna be 4 sets of 10 to 12 or 10 to 15. This one just really taxes the inner lat, so these should be fun and painful. Again, guys, driving through the elbow, squeezing. And on this one, I like to focus on a really nice big stretch at the top. That is gonna jack your back up. So nice big stretch, so
Nice big stretch.
driving through the elbows, squeezing, boom.
Stretch, squeeze. Stretch, squeeze.
We're gonna do the same little rep scheme, 15. We're gonna go 15, 12, 10, 8, or 10, 10, just depending on how we feel and depending on how the weight is. So let's go. For some reason, the last set can either be the easiest set or the hardest set. That was definitely the hardest set. All right, guys, moving on to the next exercise. It's gonna be a supinated, almost like a row, but on the cable pulley. So what we wanna do here is grab like an easy bar attachment, underhand like this. And all we're gonna do is just like a row, there, back, pinch, stretch, pinch, stretch, pinch. And what that's gonna work is that's gonna work like the mid upper back area, especially because you're gonna be hitting that little pinch. So we're gonna do 4 to 5 sets of anywhere between 12 to 15. Just depending on how heavy we're gonna go. We might keep it a little bit lighter and hit those 15 reps because with all that squeezing and stretching and squeezing, it's gonna tax us, so we'll see.
That was alright, I guess.
Huh?
So that was alright, I guess.
What? What's that? And spicy.
Do you want to give us an intro to that?
Alright guys, so the last and final exercise is going to be cable lat pull downs. So we're going to go 5 sets of 10 to 15, basically to failure. So maybe we might end up doing 4 sets, but basically to failure. Nice big stretch all the way up. Driving through with the elbows again, that's very important on this one because a lot of people can't feel this one. So my biggest tip on this one is literally just think of your elbows just doing all the work. So drive through with your elbows, that's gonna engage your lat. So stretch, 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 squeeze, and then pinch. So stretch, squeeze, driving through the elbows, pinch. It's almost like you're bringing it down and then in, down and then in. And that's gonna get all that lat good to go. Alright guys, so that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this little back bodybuilding style workout. Again, next video is gonna be more functional fitness. Metcon's gonna get you guys breathing, sweating, and just your whole body's gonna be on fire. You guys are gonna regret doing that one. But hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Again, the link is gonna be below to get your guys' free 3-day guide. It's gonna be a little preview of a full guide that's gonna be released next year, February 2021. Go ahead and get your free guide. The link is below. All you have to do is just click there. It's gonna send you an email with your little free downloadable link, and I hope you guys enjoy that and have fun with it. That's gonna go ahead and do it for this video, guys. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. At least 2 new videos every week. You guys don't wanna miss out. As always, Breakfast Club CTG, we out to speed.